This is the second season of what I believe the best DApp game that came out in 2023. Mage Wars, people managed to get in at the beginning of Mage Wars Season 1, basically managed to get 10-15x, obviously this video is not financial advice. The first season managed to get $5,000 in market capitalization and 6K users. And the current season just came out and it is at 154 BNB. It has Guild Wars. It has so many cool functions. The second season has an improved economy, and we'll basically review all of this. I have all the links in the description down below because I want you to do your own due diligence. Check out everything that you need to actually make a sound decision on the project. I'll show you how it works, and it's pretty simple. It's a very simple NFT game. It doesn't have complex mechanics, but it actually has different strategies, so you can show your own earning potential. Now the developers have added Guild Wars. As you can see right here, there's 172 total guilds. The PvP arena is obviously ready, but just like in the first season, you basically need to buy runes, you need to buy mana, you can sell mana, and you can get crystals. Mana can be exchanged for runes and thereby activate even more mages. So the whole idea is you want to click on runes after you connect your wallet. I've got a wallet just for the game, just like so. Simple one, connecting real quick, and here it is. So basically, and I'll have all the links for it in the description below. Definitely, if you use my links, you'll also be supporting the channel. But right now, the first thing I want to show you was the menu. So they have a menu in a bunch of languages. You have English, I have no idea what, Russian, Espanol, and Portuguese. So pretty much covers more than their main audience. To work with Mage Wars 2 Battle Arena Arc Mages project, you need a crypto wallet with a connected Binance Smart Chain network. So you basically want to use Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Android or web. I'm just using MetaMask on Chrome because Safari doesn't have it for iOS users. Then you go to the website. I'll have a link for it in the description down below. At the bottom center, click login, just like I did. It was right here. And after you connect your wallet, you can actually get some runes. Then you want to click runes and select how many runes you want to buy. Click approve, and then you're all good. Transaction is confirmed, and here is how much things cost. By the way, these sounds are really satisfying. So after adding rune, proceed to activating mages. Mage's guild can be activated regardless of level and cost. You have Guild of Fire, Guild of Water, Guild of Lightning, Guild of Earth, Guild of Air, of Light, Darkness, and Archmages. And of Archmages is super expensive. This is the high-end stuff. Mages with mana, which you exchange for rune. Right, here's the mana, second currency. And thereby activate even more mages and develop your tower or swap mana for BNB. This is your tower, or you can even cash out, which I think is not a bad idea. You want to take profits along the way. No one went broke taking profits. But don't forget to collect mana, because after 24 hours the mana altar will be full. Here it is. You want to collect it, and you need to just click the collect icon. While waiting for the mana collection, you can play the PvP arena with friends and partners. This was not working in Season 1. I have not seen this then, so that's really good, and get a chance to win double rune from the cost of the game. So Arena allows you to send their mages to the arena using rune. Regardless of the level of the guild, every user has a 50% chance of winning, which is really interesting. So if you win, you double. Easy fight, hard fight, or guild fight. There's 3 options for 1,000, for 10,000, and for 50k. Be careful using these options though. 7 seasons to take part in an exciting auction. Uh, Dynamic game dynamics, prize fund, low entry barrier, 7 reasons, transparency, trust, strategic decisions, communication, repeat bets. So in general, you can also upgrade the armor that can help you basically earn more rune per hour. So it's all in the details, right? How do you want to play the game? The way I'll play the game is obviously I'll be buying out, I'll be maxing out every tower. So the first thing you want to do is open each level. So this, and this. And then you want to place some mages. If you are interested, I can make a follow-up in the next few days. If at least 5 people ask me to make an update, I can make an update on Mage wars in the next few days. And I'm definitely interested. Again, I have all the links for you to do your own due diligence in the link in the description below. Love you with all my heart. See you next video.